Good morning, my dear students, and namaste. It's me, Kamal Pokhriyal. Today it is the 25th day of virtual class of Standard 5. Today we will discuss the new lessons, which is story, and this is very interesting story. Today we will discuss about this. In this story, there are mainly two characters. The name of the characters are Subal and Sushil. Both are father and son. But the actual meaning of the Subal means strong, but actually Subal is very weak character. He is not so bold. He is not strong. Okay, is his name. And Sushil means polite, but actually Sushil, he is not polite. He is very lazy character. Actually, Sushil is so lazy that he don't like to go to school and he hates the schoolwork. One day, what happened? Sushil, he pretended, bahana garyo, he pretended to have the stomach pain. So he didn't go to school and he went to the bed and he lied. His father Subal saw him and he realized that, he thought that his son was pretending to have the stomach pain. He wanted to teach him lesson. He wanted to teach him lesson, and he began to prepare a kind of very bitter medicine, and he gave it to his son Sushil. But Sushil he hates the bitter medicine. He don't like to eat such type of unpleasing bitter medicine. Okay. He realized that if I were a grown up person, if I were like his father, then I would be free. Okay, I would be free. I would be able to do what I wanted. He was thinking. Okay, he wanted to become old person. Similarly, his father Subal also, he imagined that if I were young again, I would not waste the time. I would study hard. I would work hard. He was imagining. He was dreaming of becoming young. Subal, his father was dreaming. He dreamed of becoming young, and his son Sushil, he dreamed of becoming old. And what happened? The Ganesh means Devi. Okay. She heard their voice and she granted them, okay, their wish come to be true. अथवा गणेशले तिनीहरूको इच्छा चाहिँ पुरा गरिदिनु भयो. It means that they became, okay, the Subal became the young and Sushil became old, like his father. Subal, he found that his clothes were so big and his everything, the belongings, okay, were too big. But Sushil found that his body becoming too big and the clothes were so small. Clothes were so small. Uh, both they try to do what they actually wanted. Actually, Sushil, his son, he wanted to do everything what he wanted, but actually he was not able to do. He wanted to climb the big tree, but he could not. He fell down. Okay. And Subal also, he wanted to study hard. He wanted to become the good students, but he got tired. He could not able to do that. Both were tired of their age, opposite age. It means that Sushil, he wanted to become young as he was before, and Subal also, he wanted to become old, just like before. Both they hated the work. They wanted to become as they were previous. They wanted to live the previous life. Both they wanted to become previous life. Now they requested to Goddess, okay, to make them as they were before. Goddess, she granted their the wish to come to the true. Tomorrow they will. She said that the tomorrow you will be as you were before. Okay. Goddess fulfilled their wishes when they realized that they got their wish to be true. They were excited, but soon they found it is not suitable for them. Okay. Now they got their own life. Goddess, she granted their wish again, and they lived their own life. Now they became happy. It means that from this the lesson we have to learn a lesson that, okay, do your duty, okay, according to your time. What job you have got in present time, that things you have to do, you have to complete sincerely, honestly, and you should like it, you should love it, then you become successful. You should not imagine the extra thing that you cannot adjust.
3.
Okay, my dear students, I hope that you might have understood this lesson clearly. Read this lesson again and again, and so that you may learn so many things, so many hard words and their meanings. By reading you will more clearly understand. You will understand in your own way what I am saying. Okay, you will understand quite better if you read this lesson, okay, yourself. Thank you very much. This was for today. See you in next class.